Hey, let me show you the design comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So at the first, as you can see, the camera is placed in the same position, so that's on the left upper corner of each device. But when you take a look right here on the left side, on the A9 it looks like there's just normal surface, but on the A9 Plus you can find the Samsung logo that appears right here, and it's separate from this surface. And the Samsung logo on the A9 appears right here, and that's basically it. And when you take a look for the bottom, you can find the USB-C input on the A9, the headphone jack, and the speaker. That's the single speaker at the bottom. When you take a look for the A9 Plus at the bottom, we can find also the USB-C port, but we've got the dual speakers, and the headphone jack is moved right here to the edge, to one of the corner. So it appears just right here. When you take a look on the upper section, right here on the A9 Plus, we can find another dual speakers. So in this device, we can actually find 4 speakers, and on the A9, we can find single speaker. So on the A9, you got 1 speaker right here, and on the A9 Plus, you got 4 speakers. When you take a look for the buttons, on the right side of the A9 Plus, we can find the power button and the volume buttons, and it looks the same for the A9 without the plus. When you take a look for the left edge, on the both devices, on the A9, we can find the input for the SIM card and the SD card, and on the A9 Plus, we can find it, but on the left bottom corner instead of the left upper corner, like on the A9 Plus, and that's also input for the SIM card and also for the memory card. And here we've got also the gold pins right here. And when you take a look for the front of the devices, so the camera on the A9 Plus, it's in the middle of the screen when you hold it in the landscape mode. It's just right here, as you can see. And on the A9, the camera is on the portrait mode in the middle, like this. So that's the main difference of these devices. And of course, the size. So just to show you a little bit better, that's the back of the A9 Plus, and the same, I'm gonna put the A9 on it. So as you can see, that's the biggest, all basically design differences between A9 and the A9 Plus tabs from the Samsung. If you are looking for other videos with these devices, like unboxing, some tips, features and stuff like this, for sure you can find them on my YouTube channel. Right now, please subscribe, and that's all. Bye bye.